Thanks to this homemade toothpaste, I do not go to the dentist anymore. After spending a lot of time without visiting the dentist, smoking for many years, drinking tea, coffee or drinking too many dark drinks, you may have yellowed teeth, which makes it look unattractive and does not make you want to smile too much. Although it is well known that proper dental care is flossing, mouthwashing and brushing, what is not so well known are the incredible benefits of mouthwashing with coconut oil. Known primarily as pusher oil, washing the mouth with a spoonful of oil removes harmful bacteria that rot teeth and cause bad breath. Although it seems a lie, this natural remedy has already more than 3,000 years of being useful from generation to generation. In addition to ridding ourselves of harmful bacteria, coconut oil can also help white teeth. The effects of using this coconut oil-based toothpaste recipe are to prevent decay naturally, eliminate bad breath, and reduce the risk of chopped teeth and gingivitis. All these effects are the result of the antimicrobial power of coconut oil. It should be noted that in some places sell coconut oil for cosmetic use, which means, basically, that they have been lowered with some chemical and therefore not suitable for consumption. We, from this website, only recommend using virgin coconut oil, and in particular we like the coconut oil brand because it has a wide variety, is certified and is sold at a very reasonable price, below the rest of the market brands, even coming of ecological agriculture and sustainable harvests. Making homemade toothpaste with coconut oil is very simple. These are the instructions. 1. Melt a couple of tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, about 35 grams, in a bowl. 2. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda, about 50 grams. 3. Mix with a fork until the mixture becomes a paste similar to commercial dentifrices. Optional, you can mix it with some commercial toothpaste. I do not advise. By following these 3 simple steps, we will have obtained a homemade toothpaste that, in addition to providing the benefits of coconut oil, will be bleaching thanks to baking soda. You can use it regularly as if it were a commercial toothpaste without any side effects. We hope this recipe is effective for you, and save money on going to the dentist at least a couple